Good day everybody, welcome back. That's to follow up on the video that we did the other day about processing of whenua for kete. And the question was asked, how do we process them for pikau in Kete Whiri, you know, the muka ends. And so I just thought I'd do a quick one. Or actually it's going to be two, most likely, because otherwise it's just going to take forever. There is a longer version, a full version, an older video that we did, I don't know, 10 years ago, I think, on YouTube, on our channel. Check it out on Flaxworx. So we start the same way as we start with the other one. So there's our leaf, there's our marker or hey, and we just mark it the way we think we want it. And then I always do it that way. We split the sides and the midrib. And the question has been asked if I cut myself doing this. Very rarely. Right, I'll make two of these. There we go. And then there's a couple of different ways of releasing the muka out of a leaf if it has it. And the way that I've been taught, and that's not the only way by the way, is trusted Stanley knife. And I really do this in my lap. And where they roughly join, similar to when we make pew, I score the dull side, the back of the leaf on both sides. There you go. Takes a bit of practice, not all the way through. See, so they're still attached. Then I split them. And then I take each individual of these whenua, pull them back, close the leaf as it were, hold tight and pull. Next one. There you go, that's a better one. Next one. There are some people who do 2 or 3 at a time. I prefer doing them individually, but that's a preference thing. Now there are some weavers, brilliant weavers, who can do this part without cutting. Now they really just split. They really just split the leaf like this and then take each individual strand back and just pull. And I can't do that. So heads up to them. I'm not as good. So I would do the same here with this one, and then I collect them all on one side, and then I use a pet comb or similar and just comb them out a little bit more to make them finer. Now there is an even smarter way of doing it, and that's using shell if you have access to one, and I show you that version in the next video.